welcome back to the M's English Podcast, the place where learning English is easy, enjoyable, and full of friendly conversation. I'm Chloe, your host for today.
Hello, Chloe, and hello to every single listener joining us from around the world. It is truly wonderful to be back with you for another episode.
Absolutely. How are you feeling today, Ethan?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I had a peaceful, quiet weekend where I finally had time to relax, recharge, and drink a lot of tea. I feel completely refreshed.
That sounds lovely. As for me, I'm fantastic and very excited about the topic we'll be exploring today.
Ooh, an exciting topic. I'm already interested. What are we talking about?
Today we are diving into something that makes English sound natural and fluent, something that native speakers use constantly without even thinking about it. We are talking about phrasal verbs.
Ah, phrasal verbs. Chloe, this sounds complicated. It sounds like grammar, and maybe even difficult grammar.
It sounds like that, but I promise it's not scary. Phrasal verbs are simply small, everyday words combined with regular verbs. When we put them together, they create new meanings.
If you say so, I trust you, and I know you will make it easy and fun.
I will do my best. But before we begin, we want to ask our listeners for a tiny favor.
Yes, please. If you enjoy our podcast and want to support our work, take just 1 second to click the subscribe button.
And please give this episode a big thumbs up, and maybe even share it with a friend, a classmate, or a family member who is learning English.
Your support helps the Ms. English podcast grow, and we appreciate it more than you know.
Okay, let's begin. Ethan, can you tell our listeners what exactly is a phrasal verb?
Sure, it's quite simple. A phrasal verb is a regular verb like look or put, and we add a small word after it, like on, up, for, off, or after.
Yes, a verb plus a small word.
And when you combine them, the meaning changes, sometimes a little, sometimes a lot.
Let's begin with the verb look. You look with your eyes. Let's be looked with your eyes. For example, I look at the sky.
But Chloe, what about look for?
That's our first phrasal verb. Look for means to search.
Oh, I say that every day. I am looking for my keys. I lose them constantly.
Same here. So, look equals use your eyes. Look for equals search.
Easy. What about look after?
Look after means to take care of someone or something. Parents look after their children. You might look after a neighbor's dog while they travel.
Ah, yes. Can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation? Perfect.
And one more with look. Look forward to. This one is super positive. It means you're excited about something in the future.
So I can say, I look forward to the weekend. Because I really do.
Great example. It shows anticipation and happiness.
Let's move on to the verb put. Normally, put means to place something somewhere. For example, I put my notebook on the table.
Right. Now, put on means to wear something.
Like, it's cold outside. Put on your jacket.
Exactly. And put away means to tidy something or return it to its correct place.
My kids never put away their toys. A classic problem.
Another one is put off, which means to delay or postpone.
I do this often. I need to clean my apartment, but I keep putting it off.
Ready for the verb get? This one has many phrasal verbs.
Get up means to rise from bed. I get up at 700.
Good. Get on means to enter big vehicles like buses, trains, planes.
I get on the bus at home and get off at work.
Exactly. For cars, we say get in and get out of.
Ah, so we get on big things, but get in small things.
Perfectly said. Another one, get along with someone means to have a good relationship.
I get along with my coworkers, or Tom and Sarah do not get along, meaning they often argue.
Let's look at the verb turn. Turn on the light. Turn off the light.
And turn up the music, make it louder. Turn down the music, make it quieter.
Great. But turn up has another meaning, to arrive unexpectedly or later than expected.
Oh, he finally turned up 2 hours late. Or only half the guests turned up to the party.
Almost done. Two more important ones.
First, give up, which means to stop trying.
Yes, and we always tell English learners, don't give up.
And the last one, find out, which means to discover information, not objects.
I want to find out what time the train leaves, or I watch the news to find out what happened.
Wow, that was a lot. Look for, look after, look forward to. Put on, put away, put off. Get on, get in, get along with. Turn on, turn off, turn up. Arrive. Plus, give up, and find out.
You remembered everything. And listeners, we hope you feel confident using these phrasal verbs in your everyday English. And try to use just one this week. Maybe start with, I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Yes, I'm definitely looking forward to it.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for joining the Ms. English podcast.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English.
And today's question for you is, what are you looking forward to this week? Or you can share a new phrasal verb you know.
We love reading your comments. They're honestly our favorite part.
Thank you again for listening. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now.